This is a simple tripod or GorillaPod and it works great. But if you're shooting or recording some footage, minor changes can't be avoided. And that's why it's great to have this. This is called a ball head and I got this one from Lazada. Links in the description below. This particular ball head is made by Andoer. If you can see, it's made from metal and not just some plastic. And most importantly, it's cheap. It's around 330 Philippine pesos. The thread sizes are both 1/4 inch. The female thread goes to your tripod and the thread connected to the ball goes to your camera or smartphone holder. And this one locks or unlocks the ball's position. Now you can position your camera or your lights or whatever you want to put on here to whatever position you like. For example, like this, and we can lock it that position. See? And that's it for this short video of showing you the Andoer Ballhead. The link will be in the description below and hope to see you in my next video.